In this video, I'm going to show you how you could refresh your apps using SideStore. So basically, if you're having this problem right here, you need to download this VPN. It's called Local Dev VPN. This VPN right here, you need to download this, open it, and then connect to the VPN. So press connect. Okay, once you're connected, go back to SideStore, and then go to My Apps and press refresh all. And as you can see, it is now refreshed, and it expires in 7 days. And yeah, that's it. Basically, all you need to do is just connect to the VPN and refresh. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.